Harekala Hajabba, an orange vendor from Karnataka's Mangaluru, received Padma Shri award, India's second highest civilian award from the President of India in national capital on November 8th. The 66-year-old orange vendor received the award for bringing a revolution in rural education by constructing a school in Harekala, New Paduppu village in Mangaluru. The school currently has 175 underprivileged students from the village. Hajabba, who sells oranges at Mangaluru bus depot since 1977, is illiterate and has never been to school. The desire to bring revolution in education in his village came to his mind in 1978 when a foreigner asked him the cost of orange and he couldn't communicate. The incident disturbed him and he was motivated to build a school. His dream of constructing a school was realized only after 2 decades. The school started with 28 students, now accommodates 175 students until class 10.
I have been seeing Harekala Hajabba for the 20 years now. I have not only visited his home and school on work assignments, but I have seen him selling oranges at the old bus stand area of Mangaluru. His simplicity and innocence has not changed over the years, despite meeting several dignitaries and receiving CSR funds worth lakhs of rupees and corporates and philanthropists. He has never kept a single rupee for himself and has diverted everything he has received to the development of the school. There is no doubt that he deserves Padma Shri. But what touched everyone's heart is his simplicity, even at the Rashtrapati Bhavan as he left behind his footwear to receive the award. He is probably the only recipient who bowed before the president several times, and it was President Ramnath Kovind who directed to see the camera when receiving the award.
Now Hajabba wants to invest the prize money that he has received after winning various awards in these many years in the construction of more schools in his village. When questioned what his next target is, the 66-year-old man said, "My target is to build more schools and colleges in my village. Many people have donated money and I have accumulated prize money for purchasing the land for the construction of schools and colleges." He has now requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to construct a pre-university college in his village.